What's up, guys? It is Sunday. I'm probably gonna switch it up today. I'm probably gonna take you guys around Okinawa. We'll probably grab brunch in American Village at this nice little cafe along the seawall. Just gonna get ready. I'm just cleaning up a little bit before I head out because I don't know how long I'll be out there today. I also want to try to make a video with the Hijet. Pretty much, I've had that truck a little bit over a month now, and I want to take you guys around the island a bit, and then I want to pretty much probably do the video on that separately. Maybe get some groceries while I'm out too, and then what else? I'll probably stop by the secondhand shop to see what they have. They usually have some pretty cool stuff, just to look around. I have my onigiri I'm going to snack on before I head out, before I grab brunch. Actually, no, I'll save that for tomorrow. Since I'm getting brunch anyway. We'll grab brunch. I'll bring one of my compact bags. In case I do get groceries, I have a bag. But yeah, let me get dressed. went to secondhand. They didn't have anything. They had a couple stuff I was looking at, but they didn't really have anything I wanted to get. There was a tripod, but I don't need any more tripods. I still have one in the States that I need to have sent over here. They did have like a Dyson fan and like a Dyson ball vacuum that, if you guys know me, I freaking love Dyson. I don't know. I do need a vacuum though. I have a small vacuum, but I feel like it's not doing it for me. So right now I think they have a Dyson ball there for like $200, or like less than $200. It's been there for a couple months, not a couple months, a couple weeks already from the times that I've been here. And I went to Uniqlo. Uniqlo's like right next to it. I'll probably do a haul on that. I got some more Andy Warhol stuff and what is it? Andy Warhol and oh crap, I forgot what it is. Oh, Cause. Yeah, I got some more of the collaboration of the Andy Warhol and Cause. So I'll probably show you guys that later. It's a little bit gloomy outside, but I probably will still do the video for the Hijet today. So I'm going to go drive to the spot where we did Lim's video, and then if it's not too busy there, then I'll do the video there. Hopefully I have all the equipment with me, otherwise I'm just there to chill. But I'll see you guys over there.